today's video I'm going to be making TIV 1 2013. So let's make it. Wait, let's go for the body first. Like that, and like that, like that. You need to make it like this so it will be the same. Wait guys, there. So make sure to baba this like that. Boom. And boom. Like that. So let's just change cars. We are going to be using, let's just change what we're building. We're going to build Dominator 3. No, Dominator 2. It's color gray. So we are going to be making Dominator that's colored Dominator 2. So we are going to use the same car. Like that. And boom. Like that. So we are going to make it gray. Like that. Boom. Like that. And make it like that. Boom. So let's do the same as TIV. Like that. And let's go do it again to the other. So we are going to make it color gray. Boom. So we will have that. So let's just adjust it like there. Done. And let's put gray here. Boom. Lower it. Boom. Next up is to the back. Boom. Boom. Like that. Don't forget it